Rhinoplasty is a fancy word for a nose job, and the technique involves affecting a change on the nose, and that can be necessary for traumatic regions. If somebody breaks their nose and has a hump they don't like, or more commonly it's due to the fact that you can't pick your parents and you inherit something that you don't like about your nose, whether the tip be too big or you have a hump on your nose. And during the rhinoplasty technique, we are trying to alter those issues for you. The ideal candidate is somebody who has reached maturity. In other words, you don't want to do these sort of things on somebody who is a child necessarily, because the nose continues to grow all through your adult years. You have to have somebody who has some degree of maturity to know what they're getting into. It's really individualized for the person's problem. Interestingly, one of the things that I find to be a little different with this type of surgery compared to other techniques we use is, the nose is one of those things that continues to grow as we age. Our faces change. All you have to do is look at your parents' pictures as a child and look at your grandparents now. Your nose will continue to grow, and your nose will do so, and that may have some altering effects on either the results of your rhinoplasty or just on the shape of your nose had you done nothing. Typical recovery time after rhinoplasty is the 2 to 3 hour procedure. Can be done under general or sometimes sedation anesthesia. It tends, surprisingly, not to be a terribly painful operation. Most people deal more with the anesthetic effects getting out of the system for that first day before any other problems arise. The most frustrating thing is you feel like you have a stuffed up nose for the first few days, so you feel a little sinus pressure. Pain-wise, not terribly bad. Socially, it may not be presentable for a period of time if you develop significant black and blue in the eye area or the nose area, so that may be the hardest part to the recovery, which is that you may be socially unpresentable for a period of time until the swelling and bruising goes down.